Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are doing well. So, students, let's count number 10. Hi, I am number 10. Now, let's sing a rhyme with me. 10 duckling jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopping high. Then 5, 6 and more. Now sing it again with me. 10 ducklings jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopping high. Then 5, 6 and more. So students, observe the picture and count the ducklings. So students, keep learning and keep growing. See you.